Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to balance chemical equations. So here's the first one we're going to try is this one at the top. So what we do is we write down the elements that are involved on each side of the equation and we just count them up. So here there is 1 sodium, here we've got 2 oxygens, here we have got 2 sodiums, and here we have got 1 oxygen. To make this work, I can now check. I've got 1 sodium but 2 on this side. I've got 2 oxygens and only 1 oxygen on this side. So I need to do something here. Now to work with this, I can only put big numbers in front of these formulas in the equation. So to get 2 sodiums, 2 oxygens, let's see, 2 oxygens here, I need 2 on this side. So I'm going to have to put a 2 in front of here. That multiplies the whole formula by 2. So that's 4 lots of sodium and 2 oxygens. Do the same on this side. Now I've got 2 options, that's okay, but I need 4 lots of sodium, so that's going to be a 4 in front of that formula there. So that one's now balanced. Coming down, we should show that actually by doing that. Coming down here, here's another one. Here we've got aluminium with oxygen to make aluminium oxide. Do the same, so this side I've got aluminium, I've got oxygen, I've got aluminium, and I've got oxygen. On this side there is 1 aluminium, 2 there, 2 there, and 3 lots of oxygen. Okay, we now need to balance this out because it's not balanced at the moment, so my aluminiums and oxygens need to be sorted out. I know from experience that if I can make this an even number, it makes it easier to balance. So what number do I multiply 3 by to get an even number? If I multiply it by 2, that's going to give me 4 lots of aluminium, and it's going to give me 6 lots of oxygen in there. Now let's make it work on this side. I need 4 lots of aluminium, so if I put a 4 in front of there, it gives me 4, and I need to make this 2 become 6. If I put a 3 in front of there, it gives me 6. 4 aluminiums, 6 oxygens, we now have a balanced equation. We'll just try one more. I'll do this one here. So there's a few more bits to this one. So we've got calcium, hydrogen, and oxygen. Put them in the same order, just to help when you do the check at the end. So this side there is 1 calcium, 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Here we've got 1 calcium. Now be careful, brackets when we multiply out. So there's 2 oxygens in total. There's 2 hydrogens plus those 2 there, takes me to 4. Okay. Now let's check 1 of each. Calciums, that's all right. Hydrogens are not balanced. Oxygens, I've got 1 against 2. So I need to do some work with this. How am I going to get this to become 4 hydrogens? Well, what I can do, put a big number in front of that. That gives me 4. So that gives me 4 here, 2 oxygens, now a balanced equation. Okay, that's the how-to video. If you want to know a bit more, watch the explaining video, and that'll take a bit more time to go through this.